Question 23. If the root of 3x squared minus x minus 1 equals 0 are alpha and beta, we have to find the value of alpha squared plus beta squared plus 2 divided by 9. Now, so let's see if the roots are alpha and beta. We can think of the sum of root. Let me just say sum. Okay. The sum of root is actually alpha plus what? Beta, which is equals to the negative b over what? A. Then product of root is also alpha times beta equals to c divided by what? A. In this case, if I'm comparing this equation to ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0, the a is going to be 3, your b is going to be negative 1 as what is in front of x, then your c is also going to be negative 1. That simply means that your sum is going to be, what do we have? Minus b over a. Minus b over what? A. That would be a value of 1 on what? 3. Then c over a minus 1 over 3. That would be minus 1 over what? 3. So the sum of the root is going to be 1 on 3. The product is going to be negative 1 on what? 3. Now, coming back to the second part, if I can pick only the alpha squared plus beta squared, if I want to have same, excuse me, if I want to have same value, I can have alpha plus beta all squared. If I expand this, I'll have alpha squared plus beta squared plus 2 alpha beta as by the expansion. And that will have been excess of this. So I subtract that 2 alpha beta, which I will have gotten if I expanded this. Alright, so to mean that whatever is here is just the same as the alpha square plus what? Beta square. And in this case, I can see that alpha plus beta is here. Alpha times beta is also here. So I only do substitution, which is alpha plus beta 1 on 3 all square minus 2 times alpha times beta, which is negative 1 on what? 3. Alright, let's see. So now that we have this, we can square the 1 and square the 3, and that will give you 1 and 9. This is minus times minus, that will give you plus, right? So that will be 2 on what? 3. And if we can do that, finding the LCM, we can see that making it to have the same LCM will be times 3 times 3, so that we have the same denominator as 9. And if I compute that, I should be having 1 plus 6, 7 divided by what? 9. That is for only the first part of it. And to find all of them together, so therefore, if I am looking for alpha square, beta square plus what? 2 on 9, that means that this value is this, 7 on 9 plus 2 on what? 9. And that will be 9 on 9, which is equals to what? 1. So the value of this, will I say, okay, therefore, the value of this is going to be the first part, which is this, having a value, plus the constant we have here, which will be added onto that. So that when this goes there to subtract from this, the alpha square plus beta square will just be the same as what? 7 on 9. So let's check the option that will work, and this will be the option what? D. I guess clear? Like, share, comment, subscribe, and come back for question 24.